Hello my dear friend, welcome back my channel again. If your YouTube voice search not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone, don't worry. You can follow this simple guide, easily fix it. So let's begin. First thing first, open the settings app. Scroll all the way to the very bottom, tap on apps. Here you can see all of the pre-installed apps there. Simply use the search bar at the very top, search for YouTube. After you found the YouTube app, tap on their name to open the app info page. After that, scroll down through the page, find the storage option, click on it. Then simply tap on the clear cache to clear it. After it done, go back to the previous page. Here scroll through the top, find the permission option, open it and open the microphone option. If it don't allow your phone, simply allow the option. After it allows, simply close the app. Then open the Play Store. Then after the Play Store app is open, simply search for YouTube. Tap on their name again. If you find any update button appear, tap on it and wait to complete the updating process. However, keep in mind, if you don't find any update button there, you can only see the open button. This means your app is already up to date. So don't worry. Simply wait to complete the updating process. After the update is done, simply open the app. After the app is open, this time you can tap on the search bar top right corner, then click on the voice search icon and check it work. And right now my phone is fixed. Also your phone is maybe fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like this video.